cooperative. He was refusing to keep his... Alright. Male subject in the black shirt, I want you to walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Walk backwards on the sidewalk to the sound of my voice. Just the guy in the black shirt. Keep coming back.
Keep walking back. Don't look back here, look straight ahead.
You got commands?
Stop. Turn to your left. Turn to your left.
We gotta get back farther over here.
Alright, walk straight back. Straight back. Keep coming. Keep coming. Don't look back here.
Stop.
Get down on your knees. Down on your knees. Put your hands straight back behind you.
Bro, this is that weird shit, bro. They need to do shit.
Go on your side. Stand up.
Bro, you got my hands. Can you grab my phone?
We'll grab it in a second.
Bro, I just got off probation.
Do you guys have any weapons on you?
No.
How old are you?
I'm 17. Taking my little brother to go get some pizza. What? Damn, this shit just happened last night for no reason. Dang.
When we tell you to keep your hands on top of your head, you need to keep your hand.
Stop talking, man. I don't care what you say, bro.
It's pretty obvious.
I don't care what you say, bro. What's wrong with y'all, bro? Y'all just want to stop people. Man, bro, stop. Hey, no, I got shorts on.
Walk back to the sound of my voice. Sir in the red, I need you to face forward for me, okay? Just keep facing forward. We'll explain everything in a minute. Put your hands on top of your head.
Just keep looking forward, bud. Yeah. Stop. Get down on your knees. Put your arms straight back behind you.
Put your hands on your head.
Stand up.
Somebody called and grabbed you and your friend and saying you're walking around with guns. I know, we're gonna figure that out. As long as you guys listen
You
to
guys
us.
don't have any guns or anything. We have to make sure and check, alright?
Hey, we're not gonna say you're gonna be in trouble, okay? But when people aren't listening to us, that's why.
You got any type of weapons or anything?
No, I only have my phone and money in my pocket.
You just ready to beat you?
This is what did we do?
Did you not just hear me explain it? Okay, bud. You gotta just work with us, and then we'll work with you, okay? Okay, don't worry. We'll talk to your parents, okay?
You ready? Sir in the red, go ahead and step back towards my location. Just keep walking backwards like that, alright? Just follow my voice. Doing good. Just keep walking right on back, alright? We'll explain everything back here. Go ahead and stop right there. Just no, keep your hands on top of your head for me, bud. Alright? Just drop down onto your knees for me, okay? Alright.
Take your arms, put them straight back behind you, alright? Sorry. Get it figured out, alright?
Alright.
Go ahead and stand up for me.
Alright, man, what's going on is someone called and said that a black male subject about 13 wearing red, walking with a black male with a black shirt, had a gun in his hand, okay? But we're just going to get you patted down real quick, alright? Just make sure you don't have any guns. You don't have any guns on you, do you? No? Okay. Alright, we're going to quick do that, okay? And then we're going to get you right on out of those, okay? It's just for our safety, alright? And you weren't keeping your hands on top of your head for us, okay? How old are you, bud? How old are you, bud?
11.
Alright. Perfect. No, nothing on you? We're going to take those right on off, alright? Did any one of the other kids have guns on them earlier?
We just came from a football game.
Okay. He's 17.
This kid's a problem.
Yeah.
He's 17 and he's kicking our windows out.
Do you understand what's kind of going on, bud? Okay. We just had someone called and said that a black male about 13 had a gun in his hand, walking with a black male with a black shirt. Okay, right in this area. All right. We didn't say it was you. Okay, but we had you matched the description with the red shirt. Okay, and we just have to make sure that everything's okay if there had been a gun or anything like that. All right. So didn't want to upset you or anything like that. We just for our safety, for your safety as well. All right. Where are you guys heading to today?
We was going to Little Caesars.
Little Caesars? Okay. Did you guys just come back from Little Caesars?
No, we was walking to Little Caesars.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. All right. Where were you guys coming from?
We was coming from home.
Okay. All right. Do you have your phone number for your mom?